institution is a rural development institution which was being formed by my great friend, one B.T. Lakshman, who is no more now, husband of our Suvarna Lakshman, to hand over this institution in a very critical time. I did not start this institution, but still I have the management capacity, the chairman of other institutions, Global Academy of Technology, Icon College and all. But this institution was handed over to me from Mr. Lakshman. But still we have not given proper time, devotion to it. But after our Suma Ranganath took over as the additional secretary, she has inspired taking up a lot of development work, and a new course of nursing has been started. On behalf of the management of BTL, so all the trustees, I would like to thank Suma Ranganathan for taking up this great endeavor, and new shape is being given to this institution. Because we do not have time to devote, myself or Dr. Ranganathan. But still, we have to take the legacy of Mr. B.T. Lakshman with lot of confidence. You leave it later. You don't disturb. We have to take it forward. I am sure this management, now it has become, it was earlier, it was a rural part when Lakshman started. Now it has become a part of the city. We will have a big planning. We know that the entire campus has to be renovated. A new concept, because Bangalore has been a very big high-tech city which has great infrastructure on health and medical education, on IT, BT and lot not. Bangalore itself has its own history in the entire country, and the world is looking at. Your parents have been having a lot of confidence on our institution. I am very happy that they have taken very big responsibility of admitting their children to us. I would like to tell you that I don't want to make a very big speech or anything. Already Dr. Ranganath, our Sujata Rathod and Dr. Sudhakar has communicated to you their vision, how the parent has to be, how the children has to be, what is their goal, what is that they have to do. I would like to tell the students only one thing. You should remember, as Suma Ranganathan said, you should remember 4 Ds in your life. One, you should desire for a dream, you should dream. You should desire for the dream. You should dedicate for the dream. Then you should discipline for the dream. Then only you will have a good beginning. I am sure you will have to have a lot of faith in yourself. Faith is like a small lamp we lit, but it is, if it is dark, it will show you everything whichever can be. It gives enough light for all of you. So that is why the lamp has been lit, not only for the society, it is for your own life and whatever the service you are going to do. I would like to thank the management and all my friends. Though I am also a part of various educationists. I have been telling long back, by birth I am an agriculturist, by profession I am a businessman, by choice I am an educationist, by passion I am a politician. I do not have time to be a part of these functions. Only in Icon College, once last 20 years, only one day I participated in this function. And in the Global College, only one day I could participate. But today, due to the pressure of Suma Ranganathan, I thought that I could come and meet all of you, share my ideas with you, be a part of you and communicate to you that Mr. D.K. Shivkumar is behind this institution. I am a part of this institution. So we will plan it in a very right way, see that Dr. Lakshman hopes and confidence, whatever he restored, will be there on me. I have a lot of things to speak. Let me come some other day, tell various stories on the history of the medical education, history of your life, what you have to do, the ethical values, the moral values, whatever has been there. I think already my guests have been spoken. I don't want to take much of your time. Anyway, though we were busy, myself, Dr. Sudhakar, we were very busy with our other activities. We thought that we skip out from that program, and I thought that I will meet all of you. Anyway, I wish you. And Suvarna Lakshman, my chairman, is here. And she has been a big support to all of us. So she would like to take the legacy of all of us, which she has been supporting us, supporting Rangnath, supporting Suma, and all other trustees who are here, and all the friends. Anyway, once again, I would like to thank all the parents and the children and the faculty members for making this institution a great success. I wish you all the best. Anyway, the lamp which has been lit with lot of confidence, you should have Shivam Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhana Sampadam Jnana Shakti Swarupasya Deepa Jyoti Prakasham. Let this light be begin with lot of prosperity, light in your life, in your health and wisdom. So I hope this God will give you the great strength. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Students, I want you to give a big round of applause to our beloved chairman, I would say, and thank you so much to sir for making time out.